Let's say you want to start an automated online business, but you have zero tech experience, you don't know what to sell, and you want to spend hours, searching for a perfect product and everything. So, what I did in this video, I'm going to show you exactly the exact funnel that I have, and that it's bringing me sales every day and bringing me affiliate commissions every week without me having to do anything. And the best part is I'm going to give it to you for free if you want. I'm going to show you how you can have it. You can buy it and you can pay for it for this exact same system, what I call it systeme.io in the box, or you can get it for free. I'm going to show you exactly how, and you can have it installed inside of your dashboard in less than 2 minutes and be ready to send traffic to it. So what is Systeme.io in a box exactly? The thing is, most people struggle to get started and make their first sales. So what you need is a proof system that is bringing me sales. This system, I have it in many languages. I do it in many different languages. So I'm sending traffic in English, in Portuguese, in many different languages. And it brings me sales every day using this exact system. So what is it? It's a simple funnel, a 4-step funnel. You have a sales page, and the sales page, it's already done. You don't have to do anything, okay? So the sales page is just, if I click on edit page, this is what the sales page looks like. And it's explaining exactly what Systeme.io in a box is, who is it for, and what it can do to people. So you have the sales page, you have the order form. The only thing you need to do here is you need to choose the pricing. If I click here, and you need to create the price plan because you're going to have it inside of your dashboard. So you need to create the price plan inside of your dashboard. But what it is exactly, it's a simple system that brings sales every day, and it also brings affiliate commissions on autopilot. This is huge. And so you have the order form for them if they want to buy the Systeme.io in the box, and then you can offer the upsell. It's already done. You don't have to do anything. It's just plug and play. It's 8 courses. So this is the upsell. It's 8 courses with 8 funnels, 8 membership areas, 8 automation, email sequence automated and everything. So it's all done for you. And this is the upsell. And if I go here, and then you have the thank you page, which is exactly how you get the thing that you just pay for, okay? So how does it work? You can get this system, this exact system, and I'm also giving you the email sequences. The email sequence, you have 9 emails that going out, and it's promoting and bringing me sales every day on autopilot using this exact same email sequence. So you have it too. So how does it work? People opt in here inside of Systeme.io in a box, and then they get to the order form. I'm going to show you how you can, create a little marketing trick to have people to get more conversion of your order form. Let's say, let's say the price for this one is $10, okay? And so you have people, opting in here. Then they arrive on the order form, and what you can create is you can duplicate. So you go to the 3 dots here, you click on duplicate, confirm, and then you have this exact same funnel, okay? This exact same page. So what you can do is, let's say you want to create urgency and scarcity, and so you need to put a countdown, and you need to put a way to make the first offer disappear. So it's a real scarcity, not a fake one. So how you do it? So you duplicate one, and let's say this one is $20, okay? So, I'm sorry, this one is 10. The very first one is 10. And the second one is 20. So this one is 20. So what you can say, and I do it, and it works it was very good. So this one is 10, sorry. And what you can do is as follows. So this one is this exact same one, okay, the exact same funnel. and you can create it like this. So you can have, sorry, you go to the $20 one, okay, the second one, and you're going to grab the URL here, and then you go back to the first one, and here I'm going to click on edit page, and I'm going to say, okay, complete your purchase before, and we can say before the price goes up by $10, okay, each day. And we can do like this. And then we're going to on elements here on the left hand side, and we go all the way down to others, and we're going to choose countdown here. We're going to drag it and drop just right below here. I'm going to click on it. On the left hand side, I'm going to change colors here, just so it looks a little bit better, just for the video. And what I can do is I can, here in the countdown type, I can use delay, and I can say 24 hours, okay? So let's say 24 hours. And action when countdown expires, we can now say, okay, redirect to the second URL, the second one. So what it does is like this. So when you have people coming in here, you want to boost your sales. What you can do is you can have people opting here, and then they reach your offer, Systeme.io in the box, and they say, okay, you can have it if you want. It's really cheap. It's $10. But if you don't pay, but you only have 24 hours to take advantage of this offer. And if you don't, in 24 hours, the price goes up. So once the countdown expires here, automatically it will bring people to the second page with the new price. So you cannot forget that here, when you create the digital product here, and you create the pricing plan, you need to put $10 for this one. Let's say the first price, okay? And for this one, you can't forget to change the price for this one, okay? So the second one will be 20, let's say $20, okay? So this is a great way to automate your sales and have a boost of conversion, because there is real scarcity. Because once, for this one, the first price, once the countdown is finished, then they won't be able to see the first price, the cheapest, okay, cheapest option available. They only see the higher price. And what you can do also inside of the campaign, see, this is exactly what I do. You can, this is a demo campaign, so you can, I have this Systeme.io in a box. Let's say I have it for $7, okay, today, but tomorrow it will be 17. So every day the price goes up by $10 every day. So I need to make sure that each emails I'm sending, I need to make sure that I'm just using the proper URL here for each email that I'm sending, okay, to make sure that it's relevant. But if you forget, it's not a big of a deal, because let's say the countdown for this one is up already. Automatically, Systeme.io will send people to the next page. Okay, the next page that you put inside of the here. Let me show you the next page that you put here inside of the redirection URL. Okay, so this is a great way to make money automatically, and to have people, once people opt in your email list, you want to make them an offer as soon as possible, because they are hot leads. They just showed interest in your stuff, and this is when they're more likely to buy. So you give them a little boost by implementing real scarcity. And so my Systeme.io in a box, this is how you can have it. So you can have the whole system for free, or you can, I'm going to show you how you can have it, okay? And then you can also have the email campaign with each and every email here that I'm sending, and that is bringing money and affiliate commissions on autopilot. I just send traffic to this email sequence, and that's it. And so how you can have it, it's pretty simple. You have two options. You can buy it, and it's really cheap, and then you can have your system ready to launch, and you just send traffic to this one, and it's super easy and super fast to make money. Just create content, and then send people to this exact same funnel. Or you can buy it. If you want to buy it, you're going to click the first link in the description. It's going to take you here. You're going to also get my launch kit for free. So you have two high converting funnels, sales funnels, email sequences, and sales page. So once you opt in here, then on the second page, you will have the option to buy this exact same system. Second option, you can get it for free. And if you click the second link in the description, it's going to bring you to my bonus page. So what my bonus page is, it's basically if you choose to take an annual plan, any of these three options here, the one that most fits your business, whether it's a startup, webinar, or unlimited. If you choose any annual plan uses these links that are my affiliate links, I'm going to go to give you so this exact Systeme in a box system, but I'm also going to give you more than $2,000 of bonuses. So you're going to get 19 high converting funnel templates. So what I did is I funnel hacked entrepreneurs in the Systeme community that are making more than 1 million euros or dollars using Systeme.io, and I funnel hack them to be able to create templates of the exact same sales funnel. So you're going to get 19 high converting funnel templates when you choose, each one of those annual plan here using my affiliate link. I'm also going to give you more than 100 custom CSS codes. So what a CSS code is, if people don't know what it is, it's exactly codes that just copy and paste the code. You don't have to be tech savvy. You just copy and paste the code, and it's going to allow you to create animation like this, the button, images, and everything. So it's all easy to use. Just copy and paste, and then you have all your animation ready on any pages inside of Systeme.io. I'm going to give you this exact system. So the system in the box right here, you're going to have it for free right here. You're going to have the email sequence that I'm using. So this one, I'm going to give it to you. Also, you're going to get the complete Systeme.io PLR bundle. So it's a white label. You can get 8 reduced sale courses with full resales, right? It's 8 plug and play training and courses with funnels, emails, content, visuals, membership area, everything. You get it for free when you get when you choose an annual plan using one of those links here. You're also going to get free access to Genius Connector. So Genius Connector it's a Chrome extension that I'm a partner with, and I can give you full access with full updates and everything. So it's basically it's a Chrome extension that's going to auto send friend requests to your ideal audience on Facebook. You can send personalized messages, and it's a great way to create to get free traffic automatically with this one. And then you're also going to get a full access to Genius Engager AI. It's also a Chrome extension that connects to ChatGPT and your Facebook profile. And what it's going to do, it's going to scan your Facebook profile to see the content from your audience on your Facebook profile, and it's going to read through the content. It's going to interact with the content, liking and sending hearts and everything. And then it's going to use ChatGPT to automatically respond and engage the content. So it's a great way to engage automatically without making any effort. So all those bonuses here, you can have them for free if you switch to any annual plan. Let's say you already have a startup annual plan and you want to switch to a webinar annual plan. You just do so by clicking this link here, making sure you use the same email address that you already have using your current account. And then I'm going to send you all those bonuses right here. Okay. So again, you can have a system ready, making you money every day and affiliate commissions every week, which is called Systeme.io in the box. You can pay for it. So if you want to pay for it, it's pretty cheap. You just click the first link in the description. It's going to bring you here. And on the second page, once you're opt in here, you're going to see the offer and you can get Systeme.io in the box, the whole system. Or you can have it for free, for free plus $2,000 in bonuses if you switch to an annual plan, any annual plan here, using one of those links here, which are affiliate links, and you get access to all those bonuses here, templates, CSS codes, the Systeme.io in the box system, email swipes, PLR courses, white label courses, free tools, automated tools, and everything. Okay. So again, first link in the description or second link in the description. And if you have any questions, please make sure to ask them inside of the comment section. Bye.